Hello, Chef here, and what do we have here? We have a Chinoise strainer. A quick equipment review for you. You never learn enough about equipment, even if you're in culinary school, work in a restaurant, hotel, fast food, fine dining, whatever you're doing, even cooking at home, you might want to get a Chinoise. So the Chinoise is something special. And of course it comes from France. This one's made in France, so I like the quality. It's very, very nice. There's a few features about the Chinoise. All Chinoises are not created equal, however they're all round. That's the thing that they have in common, and that's about it. This is a super fine stainless steel mesh, double encapsulated and sealed right here. The metal handle goes all the way around to a very strong helper handle on the other side. Notice the hole there. I won't get into that. Anyway, you can do a lot of things with this. Fits in a pot. You can bang it. You can beat the hell out of it, and it still holds together without damaging the mesh. Super fine quality, super fine mesh there. Okay, this will strain out coffee grains, bouillon, consomme, bone broth, chicken stock, you name it. Yeah, that's the review. If you need one, you know where to get it, right there at the sponsor. And don't forget the big stuff, like the stainless steel table, made in America, at your sponsor. Yeah, that's the quality stuff right there. That's what I'm talking about. You're not going to get this quality if you go with the cheap brands, the cheap crap that's out on the market, mass produced in those factories. This is handmade, one by one, rock maple butcher block, made in America, super high quality. Just check out your sponsor. They're having some sales on there and some good deals. You can't go wrong. This block here is over 10 years old. Yeah, I love it.